Hey Samsung fans! Big news just dropped. We've got crystal clear images of the upcoming Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55, giving us a sweet sneak peek into Samsung's latest mid-range smartphone lineup. Don't miss out on any updates. Hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the Galaxy A35. Thanks to the famous leaker, On Blast, we've got some awesome pics showing off its Infinity O design with a punch-hole display for the front camera. It's a big upgrade from the A34's U-shaped notch. Now onto the Galaxy A55. It's bringing something new to the table with a metal frame. A first for the Galaxy A series. That metal frame gives it a strong and premium vibe. Both phones rock Samsung's cool Key Island design and come in 4 cool colors. Plus, they're dust and water resistant with an IP67 rating, and they've got KNX for extra security. And check this out. Thinner bezels for a slick and modern look. Both the A35 and A55 are packing some serious power with a 5000 mAh battery, 25-watt fast charging, stereo speakers, and Samsung Pay. Inside, the A35 has the Exynos 1380 processor, while the A55 has the new Exynos 148 processor. And they both come with 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, with room for more with a micro SD card. When it comes to cameras, they've got you covered with a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The A35 might have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the A55 might bump it up to a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. And they've got all the connectivity you need: GPS, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and more. So, what do you think about these new Galaxy A series phones? Drop us a comment and hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates. Stay tuned for more details on the Galaxy A55 5G. We've got you covered from release dates to performance specs. Don't miss out on the latest from Samsung.